up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Roblox Rivals just as always, but there's a twist. Today we um can only use the paintball gun. And to be honest, the paintball gun is my best weapon right now. It is OP. So this is not gonna be much of a challenge. But we can't use any um like wait, what do you call it? Wait, oh yeah, we can't use any secondary weapons. The only reason I'm using my daggers is so that I waste all the ammo and that I wouldn't accidentally like miss. Oh, what? What? Guys, oh, W. My teammate's a pro. I hope he is. He seems like a pro so far. We would be so lucky if the enemies like just rage quit. I'm trying to get to a 5-win streak today, at least 5. Let's see. If we get to a 5-win streak, well, at least a 4. Bruh, we missed. I missed. Oh yes, it does so much damage, bro, and it's satisfying. And not just that, katana can block it, and the paintball gun it has splash damage. So okay. Oh, bro, what is that noob doing? Nah, bro tried to hide. Bro thought he was slick. Bro, that guy, my teammate stole my kill. But that's fine because he landed a headshot. What was a headshot? Boom, boom, bro. Yo! Oh, my team. Wait, who else has a thing like what? Ooh, ooh, dang. Oh, dang. Imagine I die. I wanna die. Oh man, I died. Yeah, but it's GG's, bro. You're cooked. Like, he's almost done. Dead. Bro, what? What was bro looking? Nah. Okay, bro. As long as we have this guy on our team, and getting a 5-win streak is not gonna be the hardest thing ever. Oh, I'm still not saying it's easy, cause he just asked if we wanna. Oh, yo, nah. What? Why did I try to deflect? Die. Yes. Let's go. Woohoo. Wait a minute. Let me ask that. We already got a 2-win streak. We're already at a 2-win streak. I got a 1-win streak yesterday, so yeah, it's fine. Whatever. Alright, so invited him to our party, and we're just waiting. This guy said he wants to be to our party too, so I'm just gonna send him a request. Bro, accept. What are you doing? Accept, dude. Oh my god, we got in a match anyway. Whatever. Alright, so now what we want to do is cook them up. Okay, arena. Bro, the best map for a paintball gun is arena. Bro! And we got the exact opposite. The back rooms. At least we didn't get Onyx. Bro, not even a single person in this whole wide world likes Onyx. Even the creator, said he hates it. Bro, see, I got one elimination. I got the other guy to 1 HP, and my teammate just one tapped him. All right. We might get cooked because they're both both of their levels are way higher than us, and my teammate just died, so we are cooked. Bro, how? Oh my god! You know, whatever. That's fine. That's fine. He was 1 HP anyway. Also, paintball guns so satisfying. It's so satisfying to use, and the way it shoots is so fast and so well, not really so fast. See, bro, I still have seven paintballs left, and still I was able to kill him, and the other guy rage quitted, so it's only him now, and I'm pretty sure he's AFK, right? Should be. Bro, what? How did I get that? Nah. Oh, wait. Maybe he's just a mobile player. Oh, wait, no. Oh, yeah. Controller has aimbot too. Not aimbot. Not aim assist either. Auto shoot. I'll just let my teammate handle that round. Yeah. Okay. Now. All right. Oh, yes. Let's go. Yes, let's go. We got a 3-win streak. We can't lose it. We really can't lose it. I swear, bro. If we lose the streak, I'm gonna be so mad. So we gotta lock in. You know what? If I lose this match, I'll give somebody the 4,000 key bundle. I swear. I promise. You know why? Because these two people, they're on computers, so no aimbot for them. I'm just joking. No auto shoot for them. And not just that, but hey, they're toxic. I bet they're toxic. Not just that. Their levels are way lower than ours. So. Oh, nah! I killed the bacon here that killed me. I mean that was toxic to me. Come on, bro, you got this. That kid's like 1 HP, dude. I mean, Bo is kind of OP, so yeah. Bro, the paintball gun is so overpowered. Like, I can't with it. Oh, yes. Bro! Oh my god, that guy had to come in and ruin it. Seriously, bro. Easy. Dizzy. Easy's about to get dizzy because they're toxic. And I'm not letting that slide, bro. I'm not letting that slide, little bro. You're dead, bacon hair. You're not, oh my god. You're not cheesecake, bro. You're not as good as cheesecake. Cheesecake's way better than you. No, like, not you. See, like, the bacon hair it should not be named cheesecake. Cheesecake is 10 times better than this thing. Get out, bacon! Get out! I hate bacon. Die. Not that food type of bacon. I mean, yeah, not these types of bacon. I hate the food type of bacon. I don't like the food type. Alright, we're getting way too off topic. I just said so we'll report. They're probably gonna get mad. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, die. Yeah, bro, yeah. That's what you get, bro. That's what you get. Nah, that kid said lol. LOL. Also, this is not looking good for us. They just need to win one more round and we're cooked. LOL. 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 Now, what is this kid yapping about? What is this Yapatron yapping about, bro? Keep the yip yap down. I didn't know you were a dog. Even my dog doesn't bark as much as you do. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's what you get. That's what you get. Yapatron. This is these two are the kids that ordered the Yapachitos. Nah, that bacon head definitely ordered a Yapachito, bro. Look at that. Nah, come on, bro. Oh my god, we gotta clutch this. Bro, we were it was 4-2 or 1, something like that. And now we're cooking. We're making a deadly comeback. A deadly comeback right now. Show the heck out of that bacon. Go. Yes, let's go. 4-4, bro. We made a huge comeback. Let's see if we can win this last round. Okay. I'm betting all my. I am betting half of my Robux on this. Come on! No, I can't lose. Yes! Let's go, bro. Let's go. Headshot, bro. Headshot. LOL. Get better. W, bro. W. LOL. Nah, the bacon hair left. Nah, bro, nah. Okay, let's do one more match. Nah, bro left. Oh. Yes, arena. Let's go. Why is my teammate voting Crossroads though? Crossroads is not good for paintball gun. Alright, so wait a minute. Alright, come on, we gotta get this dub, bro. Come on, man. We can't lose this match. Bro, I got that guy free. I froze that guy, but dang it, whatever. Today, my friend Jackson, he told me that. Oh, what? Nah, the grenade just bounced off. Oh, what the heck? Nah, the grenade just bounced off like that. What? Nah. That guy's a pro. Oh my god. Nah, bro. Nah. Oh yeah, my let's continue. My friend Jackson, he told me that we were no that um the best low yeah the best way to win every single round and match is to use the freeze ray and knife. So he said you can just freeze ray them, go behind them, and then backstab them. And I think that's a pretty good combo. But it's not that easy, bro. Now, why is that get AFK? Oh, all right. Nah, yo, how did that bomb hit? How did that grenade hit me? I got naded. I got grenaded. Bro, oh my god. You know what? We're losing. So right now we're losing. So let's take this up a notch. Boom! Wait, we literally missed. All right, at least we get a kill. Headshot, 119 damage. Boom. Headshot. Wait, what? Bro! My teammate stole my kill again. Seriously, bro? Seriously? I mean, after all, he was just 1 HP. I said lock in first, and now they're like, lock in, lock in. And then his teammate, the Baconer is like, lock in, and his teammate's like, yeah. Bro! Nah, that was crazy. And also one other really good advantage you have when you have the paintball gun is that when you shoot them in the head, whenever you get a headshot on them, they like did you see how when that paintball gun user when the other paintball gun guy when he was like when he was shooting me, there was like pink and other colors on my screen. Yeah, that's a good advantage. And we won! Yo, we won! Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. We got 5 win streak. Yay, we got 5 win streak. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a big dub, boys. All right, guys. That's all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Um, bye, guys. See you guys next time. See ya.